So hello guys, good morning. We're gonna cook some breakfast ideas for kids. So I have here a leftover broccoli with leftover grilled chicken that I just cut into pieces. So I cut also this one into pieces, and I have 2 eggs and cheese. We're just going to make a scramble. First things, we break the egg and just now we have to whisk the egg. We're gonna put some oil and put our chopped broccoli and chicken. And I'm gonna put some garlic salt. Now we're gonna put our egg. Simple dish. Then we're gonna put some cheese on top. Oh, just crumbled.